Capsaicin Border Repellent DIY Pest Control uses chili-derived active ingredients painted or sprayed along property edges to create a scented barrier that discourages mammals from entering. When preparing a capsaicin paint stripe or spray barrier, start by selecting a product labeled for outdoor mammal repellency and follow the label directions for dilution and personal protective equipment. Apply to perimeter posts, low shrub stems, and the undersides of low-hanging branches rather than to soil or directly onto edible plants to avoid contamination of food crops. Use a brush or low-pressure spray to create a continuous treated line about 2 to 3 inches wide on surfaces that animals are likely to contact and maintain an application height of roughly 1 to 2 feet for most small to medium mammals. Reapply after heavy rain or irrigation and at label-recommended intervals, because ultraviolet light and moisture break down capsaicin activity over time. When treating around ornamental beds, use a protective barrier like plastic sheeting during application and remove it promptly to avoid residue transfer to non-target surfaces. If animals persist, combine the capsaicin stripe with a physical barrier, such as a short fence, and focus treatments at the fence line and gate posts where contact and scent transfer are most likely. Common problems include accidental contact with edible plants, which can transfer capsaicin to produce. Avoid spraying or painting anywhere near fruits, vegetables, or harvestable herbs, and use physical covers if necessary. Another frequent issue is rapid loss of effectiveness after rain or sun exposure. Counter this by choosing formulations with weather-resistant carriers, scheduling reapplication after storm events, and applying to sheltered surfaces when possible. Finally, improper application patterns leave gaps that animals exploit. Create a continuous, visible treated line on likely travel paths and check for breaks weekly, refreshing any missed sections promptly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and resources related to perimeter pest management and other outdoor projects. And we also connect contractors with potential work opportunities. We host a discussion community where members share real-world experience, product tips, and application photos so everyone can learn from practical successes and failures.